Hi, I'm John with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember that anytime you work on an appliance, make sure that it is unplugged or the circuit breaker is turned off so there's no chance of electrocution. We're going to show you how to install a new ice dispenser actuator arm for your Frigidaire refrigerator. It's a really easy job that only requires a Phillips head screwdriver, a pair of needle nose pliers, and a few minutes of your time. When you open the package, you'll get one new ice dispenser actuator arm. The reason why you'd be replacing the ice dispenser actuator arm is if it's broken, missing, or if the ice maker isn't dispensing ice. The part is located in the dispenser area of the freezer door. Start by removing this bottom tray assembly. To do so, grab on and pull it straight out, which will release it, and now you can remove it. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to loosen and remove the 3 screws that hold this whole piece in place. Now that the 3 screws have been removed, you can lift up on this front panel, which will unclip it, releasing these 2 tabs here that go in the front of the freezer door. Afterwards, lower down the front panel to reveal one end of the ribbon harness. Grab it with your fingers and carefully pull straight out, which will release it. With a Phillips head screwdriver, loosen and remove the 3 screws that hold this main dispenser assembly in place. Then slightly pull out on this assembly to access this wiring harness on the side. Press in on the release tab and then pull off the harness. Use a pair of needle nose pliers to grab onto the water hose and pull it up to remove it. You can now remove the water dispenser assembly. Turn over the assembly to the back side so you can access the ice maker actuator arm. To remove it, you're going to need to loosen and remove these 2 screws that hold these mounting plates in position. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to loosen and remove the 2 screws. Then, remove the plate. Do the same for the other side. Remove the screw. Then remove the plate. Afterwards, you should be able to lift up on the assembly, which will remove it. Here's the old ice dispenser actuator arm next to the new one. If you already have the new part, great. If not, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Position the new ice dispenser actuator arm so that it fits in the assembly, just like the unit that was removed. And these 2 tabs on the side go down into small channels and will clip into place. Then you're going to push down this door assembly so you can get it to go on the back side of this here lever assembly. Reinstall the retaining clip, then thread in and tighten the screw. Reinstall the other retainer, and then thread in and tighten the small screw. Afterwards, test out the unit to make sure that it works. If functioning properly, you can now reinstall it in the freezer door. Reconnect the wiring harness, position it, and then press it in until it clicks. Then, reposition the water tube into the opening and press it down into place. Position the dispenser assembly in the door opening. Then, thread in and tighten the 3 retaining screws. You'll now be ready to connect the ribbon cable harness from the front panel to the main control panel here. The lower side of the ribbon has a bunch of red lines, so you'll want to turn it over, which will reveal wording that says up. From there, you're going to position it and then press it into place. Once connected, we're going to reinstall this front panel. There's 2 mounting clips that need to go into these 2 holes, so we're just going to align those. And then you're going to press down to clip them into place. Then, thread in and tighten the 3 retaining screws on the bottom of the panel. Afterwards, reinstall the bottom tray. Now that the part is installed, plug in the refrigerator and you're done. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. And be sure to check out our other repair videos on our website, on our Facebook page, and on our YouTube channel.